Want to fix a black screen on your iPhone camera and get back to capturing memories? Follow these 5 steps. Check for any physical obstruction. Remove your case, wipe the lens with a soft cloth, and ensure nothing is blocking the camera. Restart your iPhone. Open Settings, tap General, scroll to shut down, wait 30 seconds, then press the side button to power back on. A simple reboot often clears minor software glitches. Close all background apps. Swipe up from the bottom or double tap Home. To open the app switcher, swipe every app off the screen and relaunch camera. If the viewfinder is still black, try opening another app with camera access, such as Instagram, to see if the issue is system-wide. Update your software. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and install any available iOS version. Apple frequently includes camera fixes in their updates. Reset all settings. In Settings, tap General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, choose Reset, and select Reset all settings. This restores defaults without erasing your data. If the camera remains black after every step, you likely have a hardware problem. Book an appointment at an Apple store for diagnostics and repair. If this guide helped you, please tap like, share your best troubleshooting tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.